So being in the military, there's certain places we can't have headdress, a hat or anything. And that's if you're going into a mess hall to eat, a mess to drink, and socialize, and then different other things that they say, take your hat off. And then every time I took it off, I wasn't 100% me, because I felt like everybody was looking at me like, hey, Baldy, But now I probably won't wear a hat as much, if not at all, if I can help it. So yeah, no, it'll definitely change my life. I haven't had hair in 18 years and it looks like somebody totally different in the mirror. So yeah, I feel really good. I look 10 years younger. Self-confidence is through the roof. I did have a concern of, would it look natural? Would you be able to tell that it's not my hair or that it's not coming from my head? And 100%, it looks real. There's nothing about it that I would change. The 10% gray, because I do have gray here, so the 10% gray, it accents it. It's perfect. It feels a part of me, like it's meant to be there and that it's always been there. Like me doing this, it feels real.